QB Chase.
Field goal kicking, the rushing game, and the defense, all factors that made the Miami Hurricanes bowl eligible. Mark Fletcher Jr., he had a game-winning 11-yard touchdown run, and it was a walk-off touchdown in overtime as the Hurricanes took down the Virginia Cavaliers 29-26. There was no situation that we can't overcome. That's what Hurricanes head coach Mario Cristobal said in the post-game presser. Andy Borregales, he kicked 3 field goals in this game, including a big one in fourth quarter to tie the game. Thank God for Andy Borregales. That's what Miami Hurricanes quarterback Tyler Van Dyke said in the post-game presser. Van Dyke, it was a rough day for him. He had 163 yards passing and 2 interceptions. Fletcher Jr., it was his first touchdown since week 1 as he was out with a foot injury. And he was just so excited to be back, especially with this game-winning walk-off touchdown. The Cavaliers, they blew a double-digit lead for the 3rd time this season, all on the road. Cavaliers, they host Georgia Tech next. The Hurricanes, they visit NC State.